everyone, so kind of back to do another video. We're finally gonna get the front bumper painted so it doesn't look like freaking shit with the grill. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna take it. I took the grill out already, it's not that hard. Then you got a 15mm bolt, and I think down there too. There, same thing on the other side. If you can see it somewhere right there. But anyways, take those off. I heard that there's 6 or 8 bolts that hold on to it, and then you got those ones on the side there and there. So we're gonna try to take that off. Okay, so now we're down here, and it is 2 15mm bolts you need to remove, and then they say to loosen this one, which I get kind of why, because you know, just to get this one away from here, right here. So do that. I already got the other 4 bolts out, and it's a little loose, so we'll get this out and hopefully it'll pop off. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if it pops off. Oh geez. And the thing I'm not telling you guys either is I have a hernia, and this is stupid. So don't do what I do. Trained professionals only. I'm probably gonna call someone for help or have some of my son come out or something. It's more than 20 pounds, so I'm not gonna take it off, but obviously what you can see is it's coming off. So all I did was 15mm sockets, 2 right here, and then the third one you gotta loosen for the bracket, just to kind of make it so that little bar will go down more. And then you got one right here and one right there. That's it. And then the whole bumper will come off. And now it's time to send it to Steve again, so that can be painted.
3 weeks later.
Here we go. Okay, everyone. So this is it. This is the daytime now. Steve did an amazing job. It looks sweet. I had to do a little bit of adjusting on the front bumper. Super easy to get to. It's just those little bars. I go right there. I just had to push them up a little bit, but that was literally it. Now I really want to, and I guess there's some deformity in the black. You really didn't see it, but yeah, there's a little hump, and I'll try to get that with something, some heat or something. I don't know. It doesn't really, it bugs me a little bit, but it doesn't. But anyways, other than that, I have no complaints whatsoever. It looks clean. It's gonna be hard not to keep it clean, especially in the winter time right now. It looks amazing. It's awesome. I can't thank Steve enough, but let me get you a hood closed. There it is. Can't see if I can adjust the brightness a little bit. There we go. Just so you can kind of see it. Maybe a little too bright on the hood, but man, I just wish my state didn't require license plates on the front. That's only that sticks out. Now I guess I got to get the white license plates, but oh man, I can't. I don't know. I can't get over how good this looks now. It just looks amazing. Ah, too white. There we go. Just coming along, guys. Just coming along. Just now need new fender flares, new wheels, and paint different mirrors. That's all I need. We'll be good. Sorry, my garage is dirty again. Always dirty. Oh man. Well, I can't get over that, man. I can't. She's coming along, you guys. So stay tuned. I don't know. Tell me below. Keep asking you. No one's replying. What do you want me to do? Down below. Do you want me to start working on the inside or finish the mirrors? Which I always do. And everyone else is going to be like, do the wheels, do the freaking tires, do everything. I'm like, yeah, I wish I could. But, you know, if you keep helping me on this channel, I'll be able to do everything you want me to do. And what I want to do. But anyways, stay tuned. Turn on that bell. Subscribe to everything. If it's the first time you watch this channel, there'll be a lot more to come. But yeah, stay tuned.